testing the first two contacts, and same goes with this one. So the final circuit would look something like this. Now let's quickly test the color voltages here and there. So 5.2 volts, this is correct. This should give 12 volts, that is correct. Okay, so I think the circuit is ready. Let me quickly add the module here. Switch on the circuit. No obvious smokes, it means it's correct. Fast release working. So this one is not connected yet, I think. No man, this is connected. Oh, so this connection is missed. There is no ground for this relay. That's why it's not working. So let me quickly connect the ground. So here is the quick demo of the circuit. The multimeter is in continuous testing mode. So testing the first two contacts, and same goes with this one. The last one, for this I'm using the channel B. This is how the circuit is going to work.